You're probably wondering one of two things right now. Who the hell is this guy? Or who the hell is this guy? And why is he sat in an empty apartment doing weird things?
Hey, my name's Bret and today I'm officially launching my YouTube channel. Now, but seriously, we're already halfway through 2020 and I truly believe that if you haven't already, now is the best time to start a YouTube channel. So if you'd hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, I'd really appreciate it. Now in this video, I'm going to cover 5 reasons to start a YouTube channel in 2020. 5 reasons why I'm starting a YouTube channel and 5 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel too. Number 1, there has never been a better time to share valuable content online. Seriously, since the coronavirus lockdown has been implemented worldwide, YouTube has seen its traffic increase so much that they've had to reduce the quality that creators can upload just so the internet can handle it. How crazy is that? So be a creator, not a consumer. Pick a topic that you're passionate about and create valuable content that you can share on the platform. So to put that into perspective, YouTube sees 30 million visitors every day. And what I'm saying is, if you can tap into that and create good content that provides value, then I'm sure you can grow your channel and create a business online. And as this is my first video, if you hit subscribe and follow, you'll find out. Reason number 2, I was sick and tired of lining other people's pockets. Working a 9 to 5, hugely benefiting someone else to marginally benefit yourself. So in August last year, I quit my job with the goal of making $2,000 a month, and I achieved that goal within 4 months. And on this channel, I'm going to share how you can do the same. And I know some people aren't in the position to be able to do this, but starting YouTube as a side hustle is a totally viable option and something I really think you should explore. Reason number 3, coronavirus. Reason number 3, coronavirus. We're all living in lockdown. No one knows how long it's going to go on for or how the economy is going to bear up. So far, we've seen the stock market rally like crazy since they hit the bottom in March. We've seen blue chip stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook rally to levels that they were at before the coronavirus or even higher. However, there's still uncertainty around what's going to happen in the coming months and years. So starting a YouTube channel to raise awareness around topics that you're passionate about is a great idea that you can fully invest your time into now, while the rest of the world is sort of in limbo. Reason number 4 is that it's something you can do from home. Something that you can do to provide value to others, and you can do it from home. Since August last year when I quit my job, I was traveling full time. I didn't get to see my family at all until the coronavirus happened. And basically I missed them. And I've realized that I actually love spending time at home. And this is something that is totally viable. You can do it at home. All you need to do is have a camera, be able to edit, which there's software out there now that anyone can edit, and it's super easy. You can do it from home.
Speaking about doing things from home, you're probably wondering, is this even my home? Why am I in a completely empty house? Well, basically we're moving houses. We've lived in London for the last 8 years, me and my wife, and we've decided to move to the countryside, so we're in the middle of doing that at the minute. Hence, the empty house. Okay, the last reason number 5 for starting a YouTube channel in 2020, for me anyway, is because I already have some of the gear. Whilst I was traveling, I bought a camera, I got a tripod and things like that. But I want to show you what I'm filming with right now, because I'm still waiting for some of my other gear, and all you need is a camera. The camera that I'm holding right now, there's a desk that I've been sat at, there's my tripod that the camera's been sat on, my notes on the laptop, and I do have a light dome over here, but I don't have the light. That's something that I'm still waiting for, so absolutely not necessary to film a video like this. I've got a spare mattress here and some mattress bottoms, some bean bags just to try and fill the room out. Another one over here because it's echoing like crazy with no sofa or anything in here. But this setup is super simple. Anyone can do it. It's basically just the camera that I'm holding in my hand right now. So if you're still there, thanks so much for watching till the end. Remember to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. What you can expect from me on this channel over the coming months is everything money. We're going to talk about how much things cost, how to make money. We're going to talk about the stock market, dividends, compound interest, indirect ways to make money like how you can save more money, and side hustles, making your money work for you, and so much more. I'm really excited to share more with you, and I can't wait to get into the next video. Thanks guys.